Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove songs from Instagram post. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the specific post. I'm going to go ahead over to the two horizontal lines. And when you tap on it, you can go ahead and tap on edit. And then we have the song option right here. Now, when you go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see here, you will be able to change the music, but you won't be able to strip it off or delete it. So this feature right here is relatively new. So for some phones, if it's been rolled out to your phone, you can basically find the delete button right here. But if, as you can see here, mine doesn't have that option. Again, if the new feature or edit feature hasn't rolled out to your account yet, well, the only option that you have is to re-upload the specific post without the music. All right, so that is how you remove songs from Instagram posts. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.